Secluded Haven West, convenient proximity, very solid constructed home in wooded location, has multiple renovations, updates i.e. screen deck enclosure, HVAC, HWH, WD dishwasher, counters, cabinets, doors, etc. Grounds have a workshop attached to an indoor-outdoor recreation room or man cave. West, large screen porch including 60-inch big screen TV and stonewood burning fireplace. Extended patio deck, west sink and gas grill, all blending into the natural environment surrounding this resort-style hideaway. West, many backyard amenities, conversation fire pit, horseshoe range, swing set, axe throwing area. 3-bedroom, each has a full private bath plus a single half bath, private master bedroom entrance. This hidden treasure could be for a growing family or B&B entertainment or business getaway for those who enjoy privacy in a lush natural setting, and includes an extensive sound system. Rapidly growing Texoma area is the beginning of the next Silicon Valley near Highway 75 West. Multiple benefits to area owners, perfect timing.